I think the GoPro's dead.
Wrong one. Oh, shoot. I got this one.
Come on. Come on. I'm sorry, Tony. Is that a low crawl? Oh, yeah, it is.
One up.
Do we jump over those?
No, he's regular.
Okay.
Are we getting taller?
Yeah, they are. My nuts just touched. GoPro's dead anyway.
Oh, well. Who gets the front?
Oh, okay.
You look cool wearing it anyway. Are you corporal?
Huh?
Are you a corporal? On, y'all.
Sergeant.
Jump! Come on, I didn't see that through. Awesome.
Clockwise. Clockwise.
Clockwise. Sorry. Ah. Come on, y'all got it. Shit.
Come on, y'all. Oh, this is gonna be awkward.
Come on. Wait. Just jump. Tired.
Huh?
Eli. John. Right there, halfway.
And then it's pretty good. Towards me. Yeah, just put it down and I should.
Good job, Mills.
Well, GoPro's dead anyway. Figured out why you think it's dead. I think it is. I got over it pretty simple.